Are you tired of feeling like your money just disappears? Often, it's the small, everyday expenses that drain our wallets without us even noticing. Today, we're going to uncover 10 common money wasters and how you can cut them out. 1. Your daily coffee shop visit. That $5 latte adds up to over $1,500 a year. Try brewing your own at home. 2. Unused subscriptions. If you're not using that streaming service or magazine subscription, cancel it. 3. Expensive gym memberships. If you're not going regularly, switch to a cheaper option or try free home workouts. 4. Food delivery apps. The convenience is tempting, but fees and tips quickly inflate the cost. Cooking at home is always cheaper. 5. Bottled water. A reusable water bottle is a one-time purchase that saves you hundreds. 6. Bank fees. Avoid ATM charges and overdraft fees by planning your withdrawals and tracking your balance. 7. Impulse shopping. Before purchasing, wait 24 hours. You'll often find you don't need it. 8. Always buying name brands. Often the generic or store brand version is just as good for a fraction of the price. 9. Overpriced car expenses. Don't neglect regular maintenance, which prevents costly repairs down the road. 10. Wasting energy. Turn off lights when you leave a room and unplug electronics. These small habits lead to big savings. By making these small changes, you can take control of your finances and start building a healthier financial future.